I found one of the easiest ways to make money online. Imagine making up to $1,600 every single day without the hassle of selling anything at all, having any prior experience, or dealing with running paid ads. Imagine all you had to do is copy and paste some text. Too good to be true? Well, in today's world of artificial intelligence, it's more than possible. I'll be showing you a new way of how hundreds of people are now making money with Google News. Make sure to stick to the end. I'll let you onto 2 other websites to double your earnings. Alright, first things first, to make money from Google News, you need to follow a few steps. First, go to Google Trends. To get there, just go to Google and type in Google Trends. Usually, the first link you see is the right one. Click on it. Once you're on Google Trends, you'll see topics that are really popular right now. Click on Trending Now at the top of the page. This will show you a list of topics that many people are interested in. Pick a topic you like and save the important words related to it. Now let's head back to Google and type in Google News and hit the search button. The top result will take you to news.google.com, the official Google News website. Easy so far. Click on it and there you go. You're on the Google News homepage. It's kind of like an online newspaper where you can